Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka company Syngkai na Italy, ka Piaggio Vehicles Private Limited, haka kat kendai trik uyayong arjapsan. Kala plat mai sia ka tuk Aprilia Tuono 457, ka Paka bha ha ka Ñiah Jngai, bat ka Bompang Syngkai. La plat yang ni ka bait ni ka tuk ha shut up automobiles showroom ka badan hamau belai da utrai uba bah ku par shut up ha ka jingdon lang u manager ba Vishal neng nong bat kiwi hadin bel dek pelat yang ni ka bait uba Vishal lapan pau ba ka dor jong ni ka tuk ka jam ha bai nu jor bat kiwi ki sports bait ka pasong dor pelat ka saulak tengka ha ka ex showroom nak benta ka dor hanong ba shilong upan pauru ba ka long comfort ni suk bha ha ba shongnya bat kaya daru ya ka jingpang Syngkai ka ba compare na kiwi ki bait jang kiwi pat ki company ka deiru ka bait ka ba klan bor bha da saus pa san punyo cc pen pau uba Vishal ha ka ni ka bait ki don arli girong ka piran ha red pat ka puma grey ki badan jing temu ban thiet ing ka bait thamai ka Aprilia Tuono saus pa san punyo bat ki bakwa ban tep shu chapang jong ka kin ngau pha ban lek ha showroom ka badan hamau belai bat ki la ru ban phuan ha new number jong uba Vishal pra iwe khandai pra non nyo sunlight.
Kindly visit Shada Automobile Mall. We will let you know more about this. And let me tell you about the pricing. The pricing is very reasonable in comparison to this segment, which is 4,09,666 ex showroom, which is in comparison to other sports bikes a very reasonable value price and very much in power to weight ratio. It's a very comfortable bike and very powerful. So if you want to know more, please visit Sharabu or contact 811 980 7755.